Good morning and welcome to lesson 1.1, also known as lesson 16. So we're going to be talking about statistical questions. So what is a statistical question? By now you've probably already taken notes on the vocabulary and you've probably already taken notes on the video. Hopefully you've already taken notes on Khan, but this is a group of questions, and what we're going to do is determine if they're statistical or not. So a statistical question is a question that can be answered by collecting data that vary. For example, how old am I is not a statistical question, but how old are the students in my school is a statistical question. This is because the answer to the second question, you would need to determine the ages of all students in your school, and there would be variability in that data, since not all students are the same age. However, if I was just asking a single person, then that is one data point. Asking for multiple data points creates what's called as a data set. So let's look at how tall are you? How tall are you? Am I asking for multiple data points? Am I asking for a variability in data? I'm only asking you, so that means that this is not a statistical question. Let's take a look at this next question. How tall are the students in your class? How tall are the students in your class? Well, notice the key word, students. And grammar, this is talking about more than one person. So how tall are the students in your class? This is asking for a variability of data because we are going to be measuring 21 students in our class. So this is a statistical question. So now let's take a look at another one. How do the heights of the students in your class compare to the heights of all 6th graders in your school? So now you're comparing. So let's say that the average height in our class, also known as the mean, is 5'3". And then in the whole 6th grade, the average height is 5'4". So in comparing these two, we are looking at the statistical data. We are looking at the variability. So we are looking at a statistical question. So what we're going to be doing is looking at some distribution question and some more statistical questions. And so this has been uploaded and it's more practice for you. And it's also related to social studies. So it should help you understand statistical questions a little more, and it's great practice. If you have any questions, please reach out on Google Hangouts, please, or you can always email me. I've tried to respond to emails as soon as possible, but also keep in mind that I do not work on Saturdays. That is the only day that I do not check any of my emails. So keep that in mind. Otherwise, please make sure that you are doing your work. If you have any questions, email me, text me on Hangouts, ask your mom to email me on Remind, whatever works for you.